Let's look at your market moves now, kicking things off with the local bourse. Now, the JSE received another mixed handover from Asia, with traders still remaining cautious ahead of that all-important data from the US. Despite that, the JSE performing pretty well, mostly in the green. As you can see, the all-share ended up 0.2% higher. Resources 10 complex making the most gains, up close to 1.5%. The financial 15 edging up 0.77%. Industrial 25, the only one bucking the overall trend, losing just over 1%. Over in the US now, sentiment is sour, that risk-off sentiment really prevailing on that front as traders look out for US CPI and PPI data, as well as Fed minutes for clues on the central bank's next move. With that, the S&P 500 losing 0.45%, the Nasdaq down 0.32%, the Dow slipping just over 0.53%. Let's look at your European markets now. Investors on that end also practicing caution ahead of the ECB rates decision. This, of course, while digesting trade data out from Germany, where we saw exports fall more than expected, declining 4.4% on an annual basis in February. So with that, you can see the DAX losing just under 1%. The FTSE 100 down 0.13%. It is red across the board, with the CAC 40 losing also just under 1%. In your currency markets now, the rand has continued to forge ahead despite the somewhat downbeat sentiment on riskier assets. As you can see, the rand strengthening against major global currencies. The dollar to the rand sitting at 18.48, the pound to the rand at 23.42, and the euro to the rand just above 20. Now let's look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar strengthening at 1.08, the pound to the dollar weakening there at 1.26, and the dollar to the yen just above 151.